Welcome to 50 Faef Farm YouTube channel, where we bring you closer to the beauty of land, agriculture, and the hidden treasures of our environment. Today, we take you on a journey to the breathtaking landscapes of West Pokot, a region that remains one of the most naturally rich and culturally vibrant parts of the country, yet still untouched by the rush of modern development, offering a rare glimpse into pure, authentic nature. As you watch this video, take in the sweeping views of rolling hills stretching endlessly into the horizon, valleys carved over time by nature itself, and a terrain that tells stories of resilience, survival, and harmony between people and the environment. Because here in West Pokot, nature is not just scenery, it is a way of life. The land is alive with activity. From small-scale farms, where crops are carefully cultivated using traditional knowledge passed down through generations, to herds of livestock grazing freely across open fields, showing the deep connection between the people and their land. A relationship. You will notice the rivers flowing steadily through the region, providing life to both humans and animals, creating green belts that contrast beautifully with the semi-arid surroundings, and reminding us how precious water is in shaping both the environment and livelihoods. As the camera moves further, listen closely, and you might hear the natural soundtrack of West Pokot. Birds calling in the distance, the wind brushing through trees, and the quiet rhythm of rural life that feels worlds away from the noise of the city, offering a sense of peace that many people long for but rarely experience. Beyond the landscapes, the true heart of West Pokot lies in its people, the Pokot community, known for their strength, resilience, and rich traditions, whose daily lives reflect a deep cultural heritage expressed through their clothing, practices, and connection to livestock, which is not only a source of income but also a symbol of identity and pride. This region is also a reminder of the importance of preserving our natural environments, as places like West Pokot continue to play a critical role in biodiversity, supporting various plant and animal species that thrive in this unique ecosystem, making it not just a beautiful destination, but also an important ecological zone. As the sun begins to set, casting golden light across the hills and valleys, the entire landscape transforms into a breathtaking scene of warmth and calm, a perfect ending to a day in this remarkable county, where every moment feels grounded and meaningful. Here at 50 Faef Farm, we believe in showcasing such places to inspire appreciation for agriculture, nature, and sustainable living, because the future depends on how well we understand and protect environments like this. So as you enjoy this video, remember that West Pokot County is more than just a location on the map. It is a living, breathing example of the beauty that exists when nature and human life coexist in balance. Come with us as we go and plow land using the Farm 50 Faef tractors, which are efficient for best farming experiences, and hope you enjoy the scenery on the way. At 50 Faef Farm, we believe that true farming efficiency begins with the right machinery. And today we are proud to showcase the exceptional performance of Farm 55 tractors in land preparation. Ploughing is one of the most critical stages in agriculture, and having a reliable tractor can make all the difference between an average yield and a highly productive season. The Farm 55 tractor stands out as a powerful and dependable machine, built to handle tough soil conditions with ease while delivering consistent and precise results. As it moves steadily across the field, you can clearly see how it pulls the plough through the soil, breaking up hard ground and turning it into fine, workable layers ready for planting. This not only improves soil aeration but also enhances water infiltration and root penetration, creating the perfect environment for crops to grow strong and healthy. What makes the Farm 55 tractor truly impressive is its balance between power and efficiency, allowing farmers to cover large areas of land in a shorter period of time without compromising on quality. The strong engine performance ensures that even in dry or compacted soils, the tractor maintains its traction and stability, reducing the need for repeated passes and saving both time and fuel. In addition to its performance, the tractor is designed with the farmer in mind, offering ease of control, comfort during long working hours, and durability that guarantees long-term service in demanding farming conditions. This means less downtime, fewer maintenance concerns, and more focus on productivity. At 50 Faef Farm, we have seen firsthand how the Farm 55 tractor transforms the ploughing process into a faster, smoother, and more efficient operation. It empowers farmers to prepare their land with confidence, knowing that every pass brings them closer to a successful harvest. With speed as our mantra and efficiency as our goal, the Farm 55 tractor continues to prove that modern farm equipment is not just about power, but about delivering results that truly make a difference in the field. And that brings us to the end of today's journey here at 50 Faef Farm. From the powerful performance of the Farm 50 Faef tractors to the transformation of the land through efficient planting, we've seen how modern farming continues to shape a better and more productive future. Every pass in the field is a step closer to a successful harvest, and every machine plays a vital role in making that possible. We hope today's video has inspired you and given you a deeper appreciation for the power, precision, and importance of quality farm equipment. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 50 Faef Farm for more insights into farming, machinery, and life on the land. As always, remember, speed is our mantra, and excellence is our standard. Until next time, stay productive, stay inspired, and keep growing.